I have been desperately looking for a house for the last 2 years. It's gotten so bad that I resorted to actually running Google ads to see if I can have motivated sellers actually contact me. But good news is we got a lead in today that actually may make some sense. So before we can even make any negotiations with the person who's looking to sell, we have to go look at the house to see what kind of repairs it needs. There you are. We made an offer for $650,000. As you can see, the house needed a lot of work. The guy comes back and tells me his wife wants no less than $700. Then I find out that the house is actually listed. Now I wasn't gonna back down, so I stuck to my $650. They told me no way, and they went and told the real estate agent to lower the price to $700,000 on the MLS. I knew that was gonna get me in trouble, and the next day they had 14 offers. They picked another offer besides mine, and I was kicking myself thinking I should have just went for the 700. And then I get a call out of nowhere, and they asked me, are you still interested in the house for 650? The other people backed out, we just want to be done with it. And I said, of course I am, absolutely. I was so excited, I already moved on in my mind. So now all that's left to do, guys, is close on this thing as soon as possible before they change their mind. So we're here at Home Depot. My parents are in the car, and we're gonna pick up some locks because you never want to keep the same locks on the house after you buy it because you just never know who has copies. So the story is this. I told them that we're gonna be going out to look at a property that one of my clients just bought, and it's vacant, so I'm gonna go over there and film it just to show the client, you know, how conditioned the house is after they close on it. So they're gonna come along with me. I told them the house is vacant. All right, so my heart is pounding. I've been waiting for like 3 weeks, but guys, I am excited and I can't wait. Let's go. Yeah, venga. So I was joking around with my mom and I told her if she picked the right key, the house was hers. No es esa. I haven't told them yet. I'm just showing them around the house like if my client bought it and see what they think. The previous owners left so much garbage behind, and she was pointing out how the home was nice, but it was really dirty and needed a lot of work. But at least it had a pool and it had a lot of backyard space, which they absolutely love. She loves plants. This is gonna be her favorite part. This is where she's gonna be speechless. You're gonna hear her say, like a million times I hear, and that's when I'm gonna tell her at the end. She could tell. She could tell any plant. My dad too, they can tell any plant, any tree. ¿No le gustaría usted aquí? Aquí bonito, ¿eh?
Esto está lindo.
Está bonito. Ajá. Bien, si le gusta, ¿qué es usted con ella?
¿Qué?
¿Qué es usted con ella? All right, so that moment right there, that's what made it all worth the effort. I'm getting teary eyes just thinking about how emotional that day was for me. And now the only thing left to do is tell my dad, because he's completely clueless right now. He doesn't even know, does he? My dad doesn't even know that we bought the house. He doesn't know. He's kind of lost right now. Yeah?
No es tuya.
Oh, he does know. Yeah?
I think this is called passion fruit, no? Guayaba? No, it's just called a guayaba, right?
It's not passion fruit.
It's just a guayaba. This is good. Want to try?
No.
Okay. Okay, so now that we've closed and we own the property, we got to get it renovated and fixed up because the next group of people that I'm going to surprise are my 2 daughters. They've been sharing a bedroom with me for the last 2 years, and I think it's about time that they stretch their wings out and get their own room. They've been steadily dropping hints on me because I'm pretty sure they're tired of sleeping with their old man. As you can see, I've been rolling up my sleeves and doing a lot of the work that I never thought I even would have to do, but because there's been a shortage of contractors, I had to do the work on my own. I had to hang cabinets, I had to do demo, I do a lot of things that otherwise I would have been waiting weeks and months for someone to come and do for me. But I couldn't have done it alone, so I do want to thank the contractors that I was able to get to come out here and help out. Additionally, my mom and dad were a big help, and also you, Joelle, thank you for helping me with all of the work that we did here when we had completely no idea what we were doing. I can't even begin to tell you how much garbage was left behind at this property. But I gotta be honest with you, it hasn't been all bad. I actually enjoyed doing the work on this property myself. Dumpster diving at its best. It was kind of like meditation for me. Taking something that was old and dated and making it beautiful and new is one of the best feelings you can ever have. So if you guys have been curious about where I've been the last couple of months and why I've been so inconsistent with my YouTube videos, it's because I've been going all in on trying to renovate this home. Additionally, I wanted to show you guys a bird's eye view of what this home looked like, but then my drone decided to actually die on me midway through a flight. And then I had to actually try to rescue it because it landed on top of my roof. Now, I normally wouldn't do this, but I can't live without my drone. Plus, I wanted to get up there and get a closer look at the gutters because I noticed that they're pretty clogged up. Oh, I made it up here. It's kind of scary to be honest with you, but at least I get to see what kind of shape the roof is in. And I get to see that I got to clean the gutters out. And here's the poor drone. Here she is. Oh, you're gonna have to get some work done on you, I see. All right, we'll get you down. Hopefully you still work. I think we're gonna have to come up here very soon, clean these things out. I think it's gonna be a little scarier to get down than it was to come up here. You ready for me? I'm gonna jump. I think I'll pay somebody to do that gutter cleaning job. Let's see if it's still working.
She got little battle scars.
Yeah, she's not turning on. Probably a safety mechanism. Well,
It's sweating.
find out later. So it just so happens that we're just finishing up and it's Thanksgiving. So today I'm gonna surprise my daughters with the house. You ready for your surprise?
I can see it.
Ready for your surprise?
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go. This was so special to me just to watch their faces light up when they saw their own rooms. They went completely nuts and they can't wait to jump in the pool. Unfortunately, they're a little sick and under the weather, so we're gonna have to wait a few more days on that. But ever since they've been here, they've been rollerblading across the house. We've been going on walks. They have been on their tablet. So far it's been a win-win.
Because I remember I wanted a room like this.
Oh, so this is you and Catalina's room?
Wait, where's my room?
Oh, this is both your rooms. You guys are gonna sleep together.
Oh, not
Yeah,
again.
you guys love sleeping together.
Not again. Is this a surprise?
Yeah, then I'll sleep in this room over here.
Hey.
You want to see his room?
You want to see my room?
Go see his room.
Look at my room. This is my room. I'll be right across the street from you.
Okay, yay, thank you. Thank goodness I don't have to sleep with her. I love you. Goodbye.
I think that one of the most valuable lessons that I learned by this experience is that you just have to be patient. You can't really just go out there and just throw money against the wall just because people are in hysteria of buying homes. I learned this the hard way in 2008 when I overpaid for a property I ended up losing. As a matter of fact, 2 properties that I ended up losing. This time I think I did it correctly. I was very patient. I waited for the right time and I got a property that I was able to add equity into by fixing up. As you can see from the earlier pictures from when we started this project, the place was really dated and it needed a lot of work, and now we've made it very modern, airy, and open, which a lot of people like. So my plan is to live in this property for the next 5 years, or maybe even longer, and then maybe move on to something else and leave this as a rental. So the way I got this property was by running Google ads, but to be honest with you, I was spending over $3,000 a month just to get motivated seller leads, and it took me almost a year until I came across this one. Now, I don't think I would do that again, but what I would do is go to the sheriff sales because I've been attending them the last couple of months and there's some really good deals to be had, such as this property right here that recently got listed for sale next week, and the bank is only owed $353,000 and the property's worth almost $600,000. So if you want to learn how to get properties like that, you're in luck because I just put the finishing touches on my auction master program. And if you guys want more details on that and how you can still possibly get a 30% discount on the program, use the link down below to sign up and learn more. All right, so there you have it, guys. Not the first house I've ever purchased, but definitely I would say it's probably the most emotional purchase I've ever made of any home in my whole life. So if you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more videos from us, go ahead and check out the ones on the screen right now because YouTube thinks you should watch that one next. Thank you for watching. I love you and I will see you next time.